Tini DBU yitannohuro DBU yitannohuro lamalatenni mitte higge sidaamu afiinni diineerenna dagoomunnire sayisanno wo'naalshuhurooti. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ayratu DBU huro harunsan Allah khair shoshan qasinna eltosi kidne ana ikkito yinanni techo DBU hurora rosantino boharchu qittawo qixxeesine naqineesine urdubbino majjishano techo qittawonni haadhe shinqoomori harancho odoo hagirrame heeshon hagirruddo gasholki gafa halalancho dhaggeha ontikki gafanna hattono babbaxxitino egensi shubbanna iyyaho kidne midira higge shiqqan arradu macciishshaanonke qixxaawotenne qixxeessine naqineessine haa'ne shinqeemmo'neri ani muhabbi huseeni honna Jaafar tunsiisiyo arradu DBU huro harunsaano qixxaawonke allaha fajjonni bubbete aananni higge madda'nera dagge macciishshantan inshallah qixxaawonke goofu marti geeshsha ledonke ikkitinanni gede ayirrenyunni koyenseemmo.
All the fate of creation has already been read. All the fate of creation has already been written. His will is always done. His will is always done. And can never be undone.
Harancho odo manchi beetti kaote barra shoolu ceenni xammama